Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows backup failed error code 0x81000031 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also trying to Windows backup and failed with error code, then here are the fixes. And the first one is check the backup drive file system. This is the first and initial workaround. Check the backup drive file system. Here open File Explorer and go to the drive, backup drive. Right click on it and choose properties, and make sure that sufficient space is available and file system should be NTFS. If not found, then right click on it and choose format. Here under file system, click on a small arrow and change the file system to from FAT32 to NTFS and click on start and format your backup drive. After that, check whether your backup successfully or failed. If your problem is still, then go to the next fixes. The second one is exclude the backup drive from file history. Exclude the backup drive from file history. Go to file history, go to Windows search and type file history. Open it. Open file history. It will open in control panel. And here from the left side, click on exclude folders. And here click on add, exclude from file history, click on add, locate your files which you want to take backup or your drive, select it and choose select folder. Your backup drive will successfully added. Click on save changes. After that, check whether you are still receiving backup failed error code or not. If you are still facing issue, then go to the next fixes, open File Explorer, right click on your backup drive and choose Properties. Here in Properties windows, make sure that sufficient space is available for your backup drive. Sometimes low storage space may be a cause of various type of backup drive error appeared, so you must have sufficient drive in your backup drive. Now go to File Explorer and clear your backup drive space. The next one is go to Windows search and type file history again. Open file history in control panel. Here from the left side, go to advanced settings and here click on cleanup versions. Clean up your backup drive versions and follow on screen instruction to clean up your backup drive versions, and check whether you are still facing your error code or not. If yes, then go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type msconfig, clean boot your system. Click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows. Here from the top menu bar, go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on open task manager link. Here task manager window will open. All your startup apps in your system will visible here. Look for any enabled startup apps. Scroll down and find out enabled startup apps. Manually disable it. Right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps in your task manager window, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. For press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and your problem should be definitely be resolved. That's all.